Our journey to the stars, a dream as old as humanity itself, began with a simple yet profound sound, a beep. A tiny, unassuming signal emanating from Sputnik, the first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. This marked a pivotal moment, a bold declaration of our intent to reach beyond our earthly confines. That seemingly insignificant sound, a mere blip in the vast cosmic silence, heralded the dawn of the space age. It was a signal that resonated across the globe, igniting imaginations and sparking a sense of both wonder and urgency. It was a moment that proved, beyond any doubt, that the sky was no longer the limit, but merely the first step on a much grander staircase. The world watched with bated breath, captivated by the unfolding drama as the race to space ignited. It was a competition, yes, but also a shared human endeavor. This monumental race pushed nations to reach higher, to strive farther, and to invest in the seemingly impossible. Soon, propelled by ambition and fueled by dreams, humanity sent its first ambassador into the great unknown. Yuri Gagarin, a name etched forever in the annals of space exploration, who bravely orbited Earth, becoming the first human to witness our planet from the cosmos. He gazed upon our home and saw our planet as a fragile, breathtakingly beautiful blue sphere, suspended in the inky blackness of space. His pioneering flight irrevocably changed our perspective forever, offering a new understanding of our place in the universe. Suddenly the boundaries blurred, and we realized that we were all passengers on spaceship Earth, sharing a common destiny. The United States, not to be outdone, answered with the ambitious Apollo program, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. President Kennedy boldly vowed to land a man on the moon before the decade's end, a challenge that seemed audacious, even impossible at the time. And then in 1969, against all odds, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, two brave explorers, embarked on a journey that would forever alter the course of history. They stepped onto the lunar surface, leaving the first human footprints on another celestial body. This extraordinary feat united the world in awe, transcending political boundaries and cultural differences. For a fleeting, unforgettable moment, humanity's collective dreams touched the dust of another world, a testament to our boundless potential. The moon, once a distant, unattainable beacon, became a tangible destination, a place we had walked upon, explored, and claimed as our own. After the Apollo missions concluded, our ambitions evolved, shifting from short-term goals to long-term strategies. We built the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft designed to ferry astronauts and cargo to and from orbit. It was part workhorse, a reliable vehicle for transporting equipment, and part laboratory, a platform for conducting scientific research in the unique environment of space. The Space Shuttle played a crucial role in launching satellites into orbit, and even more impressively, in repairing the Hubble Space Telescope, giving us unprecedented views of the cosmos. It also served as a vital component in assembling the International Space Station, a monumental feat of engineering and international collaboration. The ISS became a powerful symbol of global cooperation, demonstrating what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. It's a permanent home in orbit, where astronauts from many nations live and work together, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. These long-duration missions taught us invaluable lessons about how to survive and thrive in the challenging environment of space. We learned to adapt to weightlessness, to innovate new technologies, and to develop solutions to the unique problems posed by space travel. And perhaps most importantly, we learned to see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as explorers on a shared journey, united by a common purpose. Each step forward, each successful mission paved the way for even bolder adventures, pushing us closer to the stars. The vast cosmos was no longer an unreachable dream, a distant fantasy. It was becoming our next frontier, a place of endless possibilities waiting to be explored. Our first tentative steps into space, those initial forays beyond our planet, were just the beginning of an extraordinary adventure. The invaluable lessons we learned during those early years shaped the explorers and the ambitious missions that would follow. Now, as we look to new horizons, to Mars and beyond, to the distant stars and unexplored galaxies, we remember those first faint beeps from Sputnik and those iconic footprints on the moon. They serve as a constant reminder that the impossible is only the starting point, the foundation upon which we build our greatest achievements. Our journey to the stars has only just begun, and the universe awaits. To go farther, to truly push the boundaries of human exploration, we need new ships, vessels that can withstand the rigors of deep space travel. And beyond just new ships, we need new ideas, innovative concepts that challenge our current understanding of what's possible. The rockets of the past were powerful, monumental achievements in engineering, but today's ambitions, our dreams of reaching distant stars, demand more. We need greater efficiency, more power, and unparalleled reliability. NASA's Space Launch System, a behemoth of engineering, and the Orion spacecraft, a cutting-edge capsule designed to carry humans beyond Earth's orbit, are built for deep space, specifically designed to endure the harsh conditions and long durations of interplanetary travel. They are ready to return humans to the moon and beyond, paving the way for a new era of lunar and Martian exploration. Meanwhile, private companies like SpaceX, driven by innovation and a relentless pursuit of progress, are revolutionizing spaceflight, challenging traditional approaches, and pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. With reusable rockets, they're dramatically reducing the cost of access to space, making space more accessible and affordable, opening up opportunities for research, commerce, and exploration. Falcon 9's self-landing boosters, a marvel of engineering and automation, and Starship's bold vision for Mars, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to the Red Planet, are changing the game, ushering in a new era of space exploration and development. Space is becoming a place for many, a destination for scientists, engineers, and even tourists. Not just a few, not just government-funded astronauts, but a diverse range of individuals with a passion for exploration. Our spacecraft are smarter, safer, equipped with advanced sensors, navigation systems, and life support technologies, and designed for long journeys capable of sustaining human life for months or even years in the unforgiving environment of space. Robotic explorers, tireless and resilient, rovers traversing the dusty landscapes of Mars, landers touching down on alien worlds to analyze their composition, and even drones, buzzing through the thin Martian atmosphere, scout distant worlds, venturing into places too dangerous or inaccessible for humans, gathering data, collecting samples, and sending back invaluable information to scientists on Earth, and testing new technologies, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. Ingenuity's flight on Mars, a small but mighty helicopter, proved we can fly in alien skies, opening up new possibilities for aerial exploration of other planets. These machines are our pioneers, our robotic emissaries to the cosmos, preparing the way for human footsteps, scouting locations, identifying resources, and mitigating risks. Every innovation brings us closer, step by step, to living and working beyond Earth, establishing permanent settlements and expanding our presence in the solar system. The tools we build today, the technologies we develop and refine, will shape the explorers of tomorrow, empowering them to venture further and achieve more than ever before. We're not just upgrading old designs. We're not simply tweaking existing technologies. We're reimagining what's possible, challenging the very limits of our imagination and engineering capabilities. The future of exploration rests upon creativity, collaboration, and a shared commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, and relentless curiosity, a burning desire to understand the universe and our place within it. With each breakthrough, with every new discovery and technological advancement, the cosmos comes a little closer, our reach extends a little further, and the dream of becoming a multi-planetary species becomes a little more real. The moon calls us back, a siren song echoing through the decades. It beckons us to return to its desolate beauty, to once again leave our footprints on its ancient dust. But this time it's different. This time we're not just visiting, this time we're staying, establishing a permanent foothold on another world. The Artemis program, a monumental undertaking, aims to build a sustainable presence, a long-term commitment to lunar exploration and development. We envision base camps on the surface, providing shelter and research facilities for extended missions, and a gateway station in lunar orbit, a vital hub for transportation and communication. We'll learn to live off the land, utilizing lunar resources like water ice, a treasure trove hidden in the shadowed craters. This precious resource will support life, providing drinking water and oxygen and even fuel rockets, enabling further exploration. The moon is our training ground, a proving ground for the technologies and techniques we'll need for even more ambitious journeys. For the ultimate goal, the grand prize, Mars. Mars, once a vibrant world, home to flowing rivers and vast lakes, a planet teeming with potential. It may hold the very clues to life's origins, secrets buried beneath its rusty surface, waiting to be unearthed. Sending humans there will be our greatest challenge, a test of our technological prowess and our unwavering spirit. It means years in deep space, far from Earth's embrace, growing food to sustain ourselves, recycling air to breathe, and facing the unknown with courage and determination. The first Martian explorers are alive today, children gazing at the night sky, dreaming of walking on the red planet. They are dreaming of red horizons, of planting the first flag on a new world. Their journey will carry the hopes of all humanity, a symbol of our boundless curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Beyond Mars, the outer solar system beckons, where robotic missions will explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, unlocking their hidden secrets. Europa's hidden ocean, a vast subsurface sea, and Titan's methane lakes, an alien landscape unlike anything we've ever seen. These distant worlds may reveal new forms of life, expanding our understanding of what is possible in the universe. Sophisticated probes will orbit these enigmatic moons, land on their frozen surfaces, and even swim in alien seas, searching for signs of life in the most unexpected places. Each mission brings us closer to answering the fundamental question: are we alone in the cosmos? Our next leaps will test our resolve and ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of human achievement. The universe is vast, an endless ocean of stars and galaxies, but our reach is growing, expanding with each new discovery and technological advancement. The adventure is just beginning, and the possibilities are limitless. While humans prepare for new worlds, our robotic explorers are already there. The James Webb Space Telescope peers into the early universe, revealing the first stars and galaxies. On Mars, Perseverance searches for signs of ancient life, collecting samples for future return. Probes like Juno and the upcoming Europa Clipper unlock the secrets of giant planets and their mysterious moons. These machines extend our senses, venturing where we cannot yet. Every discovery adds to our understanding, fueling new questions and dreams. Our silent emissaries are tireless, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. They remind us that exploration is a journey for all of humanity. Space exploration is no longer just a government pursuit. Agencies like NASA and Roscosmos still lead bold missions, but private companies are reshaping the landscape. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are building rockets, launching satellites, and even ferrying astronauts. This partnership between public vision and private innovation accelerates progress and lowers costs. NASA now buys rides to the ISS from SpaceX, freeing resources for deep space missions. The new space race is about collaboration, not just competition. It's opening the frontier to more nations, companies, and people. New industries are emerging, from satellite networks to space tourism. Together, public and private efforts are making space more dynamic and sustainable. The cosmos is becoming a place for everyone. Why explore space? Because it's in our nature to seek the unknown. Our ancestors crossed oceans, now we cross the void. Space challenges us to invent, adapt, and see our world anew. Technologies born for space, like GPS and water purification, improve life on Earth. But the greatest gift is perspective. From space, borders vanish and we see one fragile planet. The overview effect unites us, reminding us we share a common home. Space exploration inspires hope, cooperation, and a sense of purpose. It drives us to ask, where did we come from? Are we alone? For the first time, we can seek answers among the stars. The quest enriches our spirit and gives meaning to our journey. The future of space is a story of transformation. Soon humans will set foot on Mars, building outposts that may grow into cities. The resources of the solar system, minerals, energy, and knowledge, could fuel a new era of prosperity. Space will become a realm of exploration, commerce, and discovery. Powerful telescopes and probes will reveal new worlds and perhaps new life. Each step outward deepens our understanding and expands our possibilities. Our journey is one of hope, unity, and ambition. The stars are not just distant lights, they are destinations. The path is long, but our destiny is written across the cosmos. The adventure continues for us and for generations yet to come.